Good morning. It's June 11th. It is a Friday at 10:30 in the morning. I took the day off work so I could clock one hike for the challenge because I am falling a little bit behind, and the weather is actually pretty nice. It's a little muggy, a little warm, but otherwise it's really not bad. So we're gonna do a hike today. Not really sure how far I plan on getting, but I'm at the Fort Worth Nature Preserve and Refuge. My brain was saying habitat. So yeah, that's where I'm at today. It's my first time out here. They've got a lot of trails, so I'm gonna pick one, even though like a few are closed right now. But yeah, stay tuned. Okay, I just finished my hike number 22 of the 52 hike challenge. It is pretty toasty today. We ended up not doing the entire full route back to the cars because it's warm and like we're hungry. It was a good hike. 5.26 miles is what it ended out as. I would come back and do more. About half the trails are closed right now for some floodwaters. Otherwise, I'm on my way to get lunch. And this is also probably, like, super honesty here, probably like the sweatiest hike I've ever been on, because it's not only really warm, but it's also very humid outside. So very sweaty hike. So I'm excited to go get something to eat. Yeah, so that's it for hike number 22.